Universal just came out with their 2026 ticket calendar, and that won't suck your bank account. Well, not as much as another park, because their tickets are still under $200. Let's take a look at it. We'll start off with just the ticket prices, and Epic Universe is going to be the most expensive because it's the best park. Nah, just because it's new. So the newest option that you have is going to be able to do park to park for all of them. Gone are the days of buying 2-day passes for the park to park to go to Islands of Adventure and Universal Studios, and then having to spend just 12 hours in Epic Universe or buy another day. Now, if you're wanting a park to park option for 3 days, then you're going to be looking at $138.34 for an adult ticket and $135 for a child ticket. The max out value for a ticket during the holiday season is going to be $194. And for 4 parks for 3 days, you're basically adding about $15 a day for Volcano Bay. If you're doing a 3-day trip, you're going to be about $118 for an adult and $115 for a child. Which of course, they put the lowest one out there. So if you're doing 3 days over a holiday break, you're not even going to go above $190 a ticket. Unlike somewhere else. If you're a Florida resident, depending on what type of ticket you get, you save about $10 to $25. So what's the comparison for 2025 to 2026? 3 days, 3 parks. 2025, $156. You do 2026, $138. What? It's so much cheaper. Next year, you're not getting that single day Epic Universe price. What has annual pass holders in a tizzy? Well, they still have the special pricing for the 1-day ticket for Epic Universe. Epic Universe is not a pass holder park yet. Will pass holders have to buy an Epic Universe ticket when they want to go for the whole year? We don't know. It's a new park. If you think about it, it's easy to forget. It's 5 months old. They're still figuring it out. If you look at wait times, then yeah, they're still figuring it out. So adding annual pass holders who could just go in when they want to is not going to help anybody, really. What's the big takeaways? With a focus on Epic Universe, your 2026 prices are going to be less. You can now treat Epic Universe like any other parks when you're booking, and you can move freely between the parks. Do you plan on going to Universal in 2026? Or have you been priced out of theme parks altogether? Let me know in the comment section down below. 97% of you watching this aren't subscribed. Let's see if we can get to 96%. Oh, the woes of a new park. Should you go in 2025? Should you go to any theme park in 2025? What the heck, man? And subscribe from new park updates.